Hey guys, so I just got my household nasal and oral irrigation system, and so it has a seal here, so I got to cut that seal, and then let's open it up here and show you guys kind of how it works. So this is sweet. So I've got it gives me the instructions on the side here, but here's everything it comes with. So we got that big thing of nasal rinse mixes that you can then mix with the water. It comes with a pretty big bag. There's a nice little bag to put it in. And then here is the system itself. So this is what it looks like right here. That's how it looks. And then over here we have the different tops for it. So these are for the nose plugs. And then I think these are as well for the nose too, different ones. And then these are more like the ones for the teeth and the mouth. So I'll show you the teeth and mouth one, because I don't need to rinse kind of my nose right now. But let me show you guys. And then it comes with the charger too, plus the big manual for it. So let me show you usually how this works. So you're going to open up the bottom here, I believe, right? What you do is oh, okay. Wow, this is simple. Okay, this is super simple. So what you do is you can open it up here and it extends for however much water you want to put in, or milliliter. So if I want to put in a lot, I can do that, or a little, I can do that. So let's just do it all the way, I guess. And then it has a little spout hole right here to make it easy. So let me fill it up all the way there. Sweet. So that's super easy with that little spout hole. But here it is. This is what it looks like when it's full. And so I'm going to let's go ahead and just use one of these kind of mouth pick tops here so I can show you guys its spray. So you just push it in there. It's super simple. You can push it in there. There's also the nose one too. And then the charging port obviously is right there too. So it makes it super easy to charge. But so you just click the button and then there we go. Oh, wow. So it sucks it out while like pushing this in. So I'll show you. Oh, guys, huh? So that's sweet. I mean, it totally works. I just tested it out. And I mean, this is sweet. This is perfect. And it's a nice little kind of portable-ish design. I mean, once you're done with it, you could... Yeah, it's supposed to be upwards. But anyway, you could, once you're done, you can just dump out the water. And then you can kind of close it up there. And then you could take off your top and you go on with your business and go ahead and put it back into the bag and then be ready for the next rinse. So this is sweet. This is perfect. And I like these because I have a lot of friends who I know do the nose thing where they spew it out. So I'll probably give this to one of my friends because I don't need the nose thing, but I do the teeth thing. So we'll see. But I like this, and it comes with the packets for it. It's got plenty of packets here for you. So you'll be able to do it every day for a while, or every week, however often you want. But this is perfect with the little bag. So I like this whole machine, and I'd give it a thumbs up.